In today's show, Bitcoin surged 4,000% after it took this level in 2016, and it just happened again. This is relevant for Bitcoin because the last time Bitcoin claimed this technical level was in early 2016 when Bitcoin was trading around $500 and prior to the 4,000% rally that brought Bitcoin to $20,000 just 20 months later. We'll be breaking down this critical indicator here in today's show. Also, in today's episode, the Bitcoin supercycle theory ignites crypto Twitter as the Bitcoin halving approaches. Taking a look at this thread here by Plan B of the stock to flow model. It now has 4.2 thousand likes and 1.4 thousand retweets. We'll be breaking it down for you here in today's show. And as you can see, the Bitcoin halving is just 9 days, 22 hours, 47 minutes, and 40 seconds away. This is something that is a pretty big deal here in the crypto space. So we're going to be discussing it here in today's show. And also, we'll be taking a look at the overall cryptocurrency market. As we can see, Bitcoin and many of the major cryptos are back in the green. Where's the Bitcoin price likely to go from here? Find out this plus so much more in today's show. Here at Crypto News Alerts, I drop a brand new episode every single day. So be sure to smash that subscribe button and click that bell icon to receive notifications of the latest premium crypto news. And before we kick off today's show, if interested in attending a free online event and Q&A session with the #1 most trusted person in cryptocurrency entitled 5 Coins to 5 Million, your last chance until 2024 with the one and only Tikatwari for your chance to discover a handful of tiny cryptos that can turn $500 into 5 million thanks to a crypto market phenomenon you won't see again until 2024. Again, this is brand new, never seen before, May 6th, 8 p.m. Eastern, live Q&A session to discuss these final 5 coins to 5 million, your last chance until 2024. Click the link right down below in the description to lock in your spot and RSVP for this live event. All right, welcome back to another episode of Crypto News Alerts. I'm your host, JV, and let's dive right into today's top story of the day. Bitcoin surged 4,000% after it took this level back in 2016, and it just happened again. Earlier this week, Bitcoin erupted from 7,700 to 9,500 within the span of just around 24 hours. It was a move that allowed the crypto to print an extremely strong monthly performance that ended with a bullish engulfing candle. While many took this candle as a decisively positive sign, one trader called this sentiment into question, noting that the bullish engulfing candle is a big misnomer. Technician Thomas Polkowski wrote himself that bullish engulfing candlesticks are anything but signs of macro reversals. Here's what he's quoted saying: "These candles act as a temporary reversal of a downward price trend. This is also one of the trading setups I suggest you avoid." Why? Because the primary trend is downward. The bullish engulfing candlestick reversed that trend, but only for a short time. The primary downward trend takes over and price resumes falling. However, Bitcoin recently made another technical accomplishment that could negate the bearish effects of a bullish engulfing candle. That's right, Bitcoin retakes crucial key level that catalyzed a 4,000% rally back in early 2016. According to a crypto trader, Bitcoin's strong rebound in April saw the cryptocurrency close its monthly candle above the key level of the Ichimoku Cloud on the 1-month chart. All right, taking a look at this tweet from Trader Smokey, who wrote, "Daily Ichimoku will very likely confirm fully bullish on today's close, as well as the 2-day Kumo breakout with the bullish Kumo twist. I cannot not be bullish on Q2. I want to buy the dips." This is relevant for Bitcoin because the last time Bitcoin claimed this technical level was in early 2016 when Bitcoin was trading around $500 and prior to the 4,000% rally that brought Bitcoin to 20K just 20 months later. This historical precedent suggests that the crypto market is on the verge of its next parabolic rally. I repeat, this historical precedent suggests that the crypto market is on the verge of its next parabolic rally. If you're ready, let me know in the comments below. I know I'm ready. I've been waiting a very long time. The latest of many bullish signs. This is the latest of many historical relevant signs that Bitcoin is soon going to erupt into a full-blown bull run. Let's go BTC. Bitcoin's trend earlier this week was so strong that amid the peak of Wednesday's rally, a trader observed an unexpected technical occurrence. The relative strength index, also known as the the RSI reading of Bitcoin's 1 hour chart hit 96.5, just a few points shy of the top of the oscillator, which is 100. Traditional forms of technical analysis state that whenever the RSI passes the level of 70, it is overbought over the time frame that is being analyzed. The fact that Bitcoin's 1 hour RSI briefly hit 96.5 means that it was extremely overbought, almost to the point of lunacy. According to a crypto trader, the last time this metric was this high for Bitcoin was in April of 2019, on the day that the crypto rocketed 25% higher within the span of a few hours. What followed this move was an extended rally from the 4,000s to 14,000 within 3 months. Similarly, a trader shared the chart in the wake of Bitcoin's recent strength, noting that the rising wedge that had constrained Bitcoin's price for the past 6 weeks has been decimated, with clear invalidation to the upside. Yeah. What's especially notable about this formation of Bitcoin breaking above the rising wedge after a bear market, this is the exact same market structure that marked the start of 2019's bull run that brought prices from the $4,000s to $14,000 in just 3 months' time, as we can see right here on the chart, brought to you by Rookie XBT on Twitter. And before we get to our next story of the day, entitled Bitcoin Supercycle Theory Ignites Crypto Twitter as the Bitcoin Halving Approaches, let's take a look at the overall cryptocurrency market. Bitcoin currently up 0.7% for the day, trading at $8,871. We have Ethereum up 0.4%, trading at $212. XRP up 1.6%, trading at 22 cents. We have Link up 0.9%, trading at $3.83. BNB down 0.3%, trading at $17.42. We have Miss Litecoin down 0.04%, trading at $47. Bitcoin Cash down 0.11%, trading at $254. And Satoshi Vision dead even, trading at $210. I would like to see Bitcoin break that $9,000 resistance and retest the $9,500 level, which is where we broke down last time we just did this parabolic surge from about 7,700 to 9,500 to corrected to where we're currently at. I think if we can break that $9,500 resistance, will continue inching forward leading up to the halving. I'm still very bullish around this time, considering the halving is just 9 days out. There's a lot of institutional money flowing into the crypto market at this time. And now checking out some of the volume on the top exchanges, we have Binance down 38% for the day with about 5 billion in volume. OKEX down 31% for the day with about 2.4 billion in volume. BitMEX down 36% with 2.2 billion in volume, but this is normal considering how much volume we've had in the past couple days into the crypto market. I mean, I saw Binance the other day, like over $15 billion in volume in a single day. You know what I mean? So there is still a lot of money flowing, even though we're down in the past 24 hours. All right, now for our next story of the day. Bitcoin Supercycle Theory ignites crypto Twitter as the Bitcoin halving approaches. A prediction that Bitcoin is about to begin a fourth parabolic phase that will bring the leading crypto to more than $250,000 is lighting up the cryptoverse, to say the least. A post revealing the new forecast from price analyst Plan B of the stock to flow model shot across crypto Twitter this week with more than 4,200 likes at the time of publishing. But the forecast itself has reignited a great debate on the relationship between Bitcoin's halving, which will slash the rate of the new Bitcoin entering the market in just a matter of days, 9 days to be exact, and the price of Bitcoin. According to Plan B, who recently told Morgan Creek Digital co-founder Anthony Pompliano, shout out to Pomp, that he's a member of an institutional investment team that manages roughly $100 billion in assets. His latest stock to flow model shows Bitcoin rising to $288,000 by the end of 2024. The forecast analyzes Bitcoin's scarcity by removing time and grouping Bitcoin's growth in phases, representing its transition from a proof of concept to a potential payment method to a store of value and then a financial asset. Plan B says that the relationship between Bitcoin's price and its scarcity, determined by dividing the overall supply by its yearly production, are cointegrated. The term implies the relationship is especially solid, as if the ratio and price are tethered to one another. And taking a look at his tweet here on Crypto Twitter. My third Bitcoin article, Bitcoin Stock to Flow Cross Asset Model, entitled S2FX, as in Stock to Flow X. So we actually added the other assets to this chart, which is actually pretty cool of him to do. Macro investor Raoul Powell says that the new model, which Plan B designed to also evaluate gold and silver, offers a powerful method of the analysis. Here's what he tweeted on Crypto Twitter. This is what I saw in the model when he first revealed it. It gives a great valuation for not only Bitcoin, but gold and silver too, and other similar assets. It's super powerful for relative valuations and outright valuations for all these assets. Amazing work. That's right. However, at the same time, this forecast is also earning plenty of detractors, including economist Alex Kruger. He says the fact that Bitcoin scarcity is locked in and not random fundamentally destroys the predictive power of the model. Here's what Alex Kruger tweeted on Twitter. Bitcoin stock to flow and price are not cointegrated. Therefore, the stock to flow model has no predictive power. Stock to flow cannot be used to predict price. Stock to flow and price are not cointegrated because stock to flow is not root process, an example, not random. And then he went on to include debunk cointegration by arguing stock to flow is a stationary variable, and cointegration can only be present among non-stationary variables, should be integrated to the same order. Thank you, Alex Kruger, for sharing your 2 Satoshis. Another long-time criticism of Bitcoin stock to flow chart is that it is based on small number of data points, with Bitcoin going through just 2 prior halvings in its short history. Since those halvings, Bitcoin has also become increasingly institutionalized, leading CoinShares chief strategy officer, Meltem Demirors, to argue that the rise of futures from the likes of the CME has fundamentally made Bitcoin's future price far less predictable. So what are your thoughts surrounding the stock to flow model by Plan B? Do you feel it could be accurate in predicting the future price of Bitcoin? Let me know your thoughts in the comments right down below. Me personally, I do feel it has been accurate over the past decade, and I'm looking forward to a $288,000 Bitcoin price. I don't know about you. Play around if you want, but that's where we heading, to the moon, my friend. All right, now taking a look at the Bitcoin block reward halving countdown. We have 9 days, 22 hours, 22 minutes, and 8 seconds remaining. Currently, the estimated date for the Bitcoin halving set to be May 12th. This could change because it's all depending upon the block reward, right? And now taking a look at the overall cryptocurrency market cap, we're sitting just under $250 billion at $249 billion, with $134 billion in volume in the past 24 hours, and the current BTC dominance is still on the climb at 65.5%. And taking a look at the top gainers within the top 100, we have Digibyte, Go Digi, up 16%, trading at 1.8 cents. Decentraland up 11%, trading at 3.6 cents. Hedera Hashgraph up 11%, trading at 4.3 cents. Hyperon up 9%, trading at 34 cents. Theta up 8%, trading at 13.5 cents. Zilliqua up 5%, trading at 0.006. And Zcoin up 3.8%, trading at $4.37. And now for the biggest losers for the day within the top 100, we have Streamer Data Coin down 9%, trading at 7 cents. Hive down 7%, trading at 37 cents. Unibright down 6%, trading at 31.5 cents. Energy down 3.8%, trading at $3.43. Aave down 3.4%, trading at 4 cents. ZB token down 1.7%, trading at 24 cents. And BitShares down 1.6%, trading at 2 cents. Now let's check out the BitMEX margins. We can see the bulls are back in control, but barely, leading with about 17 million in superiority in the last 24 hours, with longs leading 50.42% versus 49.58% shorts. Are you currently bullish or bearish? Let me know in the comments below. And now checking out the Crypto Greed and Fear Index, shows we're currently rated a 40 in fear. Yesterday was a 40 in fear, last week a 28 in fear, and last month a 12 in extreme fear. Hey, this is a good sign because we've been in extreme fear for like 2 months, and now we're finally inching our way back into fear, and maybe in the next few days we can be neutral again. Let's see. If you're not familiar with the Crypto Greed and Fear Index, extreme fear can be a sign that investors are too worried. That can be a buying opportunity. And when investors are getting too greedy, that means the market is due for a correction. And I want to encourage you to check out the description right below this video by clicking show more in the description right down below for a detailed analysis of what's going on in the market. This goes for all 400 plus videos right here on my channel. Also have some very helpful resources for you to plug into, including the blog to my podcast, which could be found at cryptonewsyes.com. retakespodcast.com. Here, you can download the latest episode of the show every day in MP3 format so you can listen to it on your way to work, when you're out and about, on the go, working out, doing your thing. Also, be sure to subscribe on YouTube if you haven't yet already done so. It helps out the channel tremendously. And also, you can find us on all major podcasting platforms, including Apple's iTunes, Spotify, Google Play, Stitcher Radio. So whichever podcasting platform you're active on, please help support the show. It's greatly appreciated. You can also follow us on crypto Twitter. My Twitter handle is Crypto News Yes. You can just click the link here in the description. And also, you can join my private crypto Facebook group entitled Crypto Alchemy. We have over 17,000 cryptopreneurs a part of this group from all over the world. To become a part of it, all you need to do is click this link, request to join. I'll be sure to plug you in. And I also have a private crypto Telegram chat. To become a part of this, simply click this link from a mobile device and you'll automatically be added. And I'm looking forward to connecting with you on the inside. Well, that's going to conclude today's show. As always, I appreciate you tuning in and journeying along with me inside this incredible crypto revolution. If you gain value out of today's show, be sure to smash that subscribe button and click that bell icon to receive notifications of the latest premium crypto news. And real quick, before I go, if interested in attending this free online event and Q&A session on Wednesday, May 6th at 8 p.m. Eastern with the one and only Tika Twari, the #1 most trusted person in cryptocurrency, entitled 5 Coins to 5 Million, your last chance until 2024, discover a handful of tiny cryptocurrencies that can turn $500 into 5 million, thanks to a crypto market phenomenon you won't see again until 2024. To register and RSVP, click the link below this video in the description. It'll take you here. Simply enter your favorite email address, lock in your spot, and I know you're going to enjoy it. And I look forward to catching you on tomorrow's episode. Peace.